Today I'm going to tell you how to control who can see the reel you're posting. If you're uploading the reel and you want to set audience for your reel, so let's see how we can do that. You just have to simply open your Facebook. It might be in your browser or in your app. Just simply open Facebook here. And once you are in Facebook, you just have to go to your profile. Just click on the profile button. And here just select the reel or click the reel option. If you want to set it for your uploaded reel. But if you want to set it for your uploaded reel, so simply open your reels here. Just select the reel you want to
क्या
manage.
आपने कभी
Click
सोचा
on
है
these
कि
three
आखिर
dots,
वुल्वरीन ही वो
and from
इकलौता
here just
म्यूटेंट
look
क्यों
for
बना जो
any
पूरे एक्समैन यूनिवर्स
edit
को बचा
audience
सकता
button.
था?
So
इसका जवाब
here you can
मार्वल की
see that there is
सबसे
not
डार्क
any
फ्यूचर्स
edit
में छुपा
audience
हुआ है।
button, so
साल
you cannot
2023
change
तक जंग
for your
खत्म हो चुकी
uploaded
थी।
reel. You just have to simply go to reel section here or try to create a reel. Once you are creating a reel, so let's see, I'm gonna uploading a reel here. Just click next, and here click next again, and here you have to select the audience here.
मैं तो
Public,
हैरान हूँ यार,
you have to
आज
select
के टाइम
or
पर भी इतने
choose
बुरे
which
लोग होते
can
हैं.
see your
Do
reel.
they even
Click
exist?
that, and then click post. So using this method, you can easily check who can see free type of video.